Hi, my name is Sean Kelly. I'm an astronomy instructor here at Santa Barbara City College. I love astronomy because it's a field that is constantly changing and evolving. The discoveries that are being made and the missions that we use to explore our solar system are giving us the clearest picture of the universe that we have ever seen. I love to share this information with my students in my classes, but also being a mentor in the Santa Barbara City College Astronomy Club. Our club sponsors lectures, star parties, we have picnics and movie nights, we also have field trips, and we launched recently a weather balloon to 100,000 feet, and we're building a Dobsonian telescope. Besides the lecture course, we also have an introductory astronomy lab, which is held at the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History. Our students get to enjoy classes in the museum planetarium and then spend time outside in the open air to learn to use telescopes to view the wonders of the heavens. We have 3 other lecture courses, including astrophysics, NASA missions, and black holes. We even have an astronomy major. I hope you'll consider joining us here at Santa Barbara City College.